know. I'm hungry enough.
Tony.
I'll eat them.
Tony, I have to tell you something.
It's Rob. I think he pulled a muscle. He's out there.
All right, where is he?
Hurry, he's in pain.
Okay.
Keep watch. There's no passcode.
Glad she's an innocent. Jess? What is it?
This is a bigger deal than I thought.
What are you gonna do?
No idea. Oh, you're in there too. You look miserable. I have a lot on my head right now. Parents. I know exactly how you feel. What's that? Is that? Yep. It's Elena's.
Oh. So Elena is
pregnant.
I guess I wasn't the only person having parent issues.
We could trick her into leaving the country, ring her up, tell her she's won a trip to Disneyland, tip off passport control to not let her back in.
Jess, you're gonna have a little brother or sister.
That's the baby's David's.
No way. Look, Elena is madly in love with your dad. You can tell.
You hiding in here too?
Why are you two hiding in here? That's Elena's phone. Jess, what did you do?
Saint Elena has been keeping secrets, Rob. She's pregnant.